welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a bit of an update video. Welcome to those of you that are new to the channel, as we've had a few subscribers in the past little while. I guess we should start with a bit of an apology, as we haven't been posting content in the past 2 months. A lot of that has been to do with COVID-19, as we've been changing things around within the business.
The other thing too is that we moved. We had a landlord issue and we had to leave. So in the middle of a quarantine, it wasn't exactly a priority to get content out, but we're set up to the point now where we can start to expand a little bit. And now that we have some confirmation news that certain places won't be reopening anytime soon, we're going to push down the online avenue.
So with that, we're hopefully going to be putting forward more content for you guys here on our YouTube channel, but also we're thinking that we're going to be doing online courses. Part of us moving was to be able to offer physical courses as well, but unfortunately we're not able to do that right now due to COVID-19 and the restrictions that are in place. But we're working towards switching what we would offer in person through an online platform, creating videos for you guys that you can watch, and then shipping us the waxes and other things that are built into the course, and then us shipping them back once they're done. So that's something that you guys can look forward to, both regular free content and then some course related content that you can purchase and interact with us in a different way.
So in the pipeline, we have a couple videos coming up, specifically looking at comparing two different kinds of resin. The most popular ones that I've seen so far in all my interactions online, that being Bluecast X10 and Bluecast CR3A. So we're going to do a direct comparison, and we're also going to throw in some resin works as well, which we've seen in the past. And we'll see how they cast. Actually, cast and print, very specific, because we've noticed a lot of these resins they cast perfect, but they're very difficult to print with. And yeah, we're going to get into all that in the video.
Yeah, so more details to come on that. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And because of the fact that we're going to be trying to put out more content, but we don't know yet what that schedule is going to look like, definitely click the notification bell so you know when that content comes out, so you're able to enjoy it as soon as it's uploaded. If you're interested in specifically the courses or in course-oriented content, please leave a comment down below what courses you would like to see us offer online, and give us some feedback in regards to that, because we definitely be interested in whether you want something that's more beginner, more intermediate, and what level or what content specifically you're looking for.
So like we said, this is just going to be a short update video. We just wanted to make sure that you guys know that we're not dead, and hoping that everyone else is staying safe and healthy out there, and stay tuned for more content. #quarantine.